Okay, as you read in the email, I'm going to say why something needs to be redone. Number one needs to be redone because it was wrong. You played it wrong. It wasn't the correct rhythm. So we need you to figure out why. You had the recap from last time demonstrating it correctly. I double checked. To make sure I didn't do it wrong. Because there's always that possibility I goofed it up. And we got the Guitar Pro to check as well. So, got to redo that this week. Unless you just had a bad night yesterday and played it wrong. So, if you can fix it, send it over. We'll get you a second thing here. But if you were playing it wrong all week, we got to get that fixed and caught back up. So, the new thing is expanding on the polyrhythm you worked on this past week. So now it's going to happen 1, 2, 3, 4 times in a row. So it's basically the first of every 3/16 notes. So if we need to write that out, so basically in this case you'd have 3 bars of the 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and you can write all that out 3 times and then underline the first of every 3/16 notes, and that's what you're going to play on. So basically you hit it, miss it twice, hit it, miss it twice, again and again. One thing that makes this challenging is you are changing chords each bar instead of each time the polyrhythm happens. So a little bit of added challenge. And then we got just the 4:3 ratio shown at the start. More standard way of writing out rhythm as we have done. And then another way that was shown how to do the polyrhythm last week, where you just have the dotted eighth, dotted eighth, dotted eighth, and dotted eighth, which is 3/16 notes long. Here we go, new thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So saying all the 16th notes for those first 3 bars, but just emphasizing the ones you play on, very good idea. And just remember to keep your right hand moving as long as you can. I would say up to at least 120 is definitely doable. Keep that hand moving. As far as how the performance was in your video, it went well. The 130 was a bit iffy, but it was going pretty good before that. All right, 120, actually 100. 100. What am I doing? I'm thinking of a different kind of subdivision thing. 90. 1, 2, 3, 4. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. So at this pace, I'm counting how many times I'm hitting the chord. So you hit the chord 6 times here, 6 times, then you got 5 and 5. So this confuses the hell out of some people, but I'll demonstrate it anyway in case it's helpful for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 150. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. So there we go. Again, if you were playing number 1 from last time correctly all week, but just had a bad night yesterday, just get another video sent over. And if you were playing it wrong all week, well, Gotta do it correctly this week. So if any questions come up, let me know, and I'll see you next week.